Hello, today I'm going to tell you something about glass painting. Now, glass painting is usually done with glass colors and the outliner. But what if you do not have the glass colors and you still want to do something like a glass painting? So, we are going to do it on a paper. This is usual glass painting is done on a glass or an OHP sheet, something like this. For this we use the glass paints and the outliner. But if we want to do it on a paper, I've drawn a basic design. If you want to do it on a paper, you can use Fevicol instead of the liner, outliner, and watercolors instead of the glass colors. So let's start it on paper. So these are examples on OHP sheet. We will try to make similar one on a paper. So I have the basic drawing. Now instead of the outliner, I'm going to use Fevicol and I will trace around the whole design and let it dry. So I'm tracing the design with Fevicol. The same way, trace for the whole design. See that the flow of Fevicol is even. Now I'm done outlining the whole design with Fevicol. I'll let it dry, then I'll use the watercolors on it. Now the Fevicol is almost dry. We can start painting. I'll paint the tulips in different colors. So it's watercolor, it has to be watery. See that the color does not go beyond the Fevicol layer. Have a gradient of color. It's lighter here and darker here. I'll add a little bit of orange. Some yellow here. Orange. So we can merge some colors like this. So a pinkish tinge to this one. First give a light wash and then add a little dark tinge to it. Shade of blue. A light shade of blue. Then a little darker tinge here. So the Fevicol that we have applied, it creates a barrier. It does not let the color go out, and it gives a border. Very light shade, and then add a darker tinge and merge it. The same way I'll do the leaves too. The same way I've done the leaves too. Now let's do the vase. Then merge it. Now this is a table and I've made a window here. So window, I'm going to do some blue shade on top, and as it goes down it will be in another shade. So watery blue shade for this. Here I've started with blue, and as I've gone down, this is some orange. I've mixed some orange here. I'll do the same on the other side. So now some orange, merge it with the blue. Now I'm going to merge orange and a little bit of green here. So I'll start with light orange. Then some green and merge it along with the orange. Here it's the same orange with the background. Now this beam can be made in brown color to resemble wood. So I'll use brown. The window is also painted. Now only the wall and the table has to be painted. So for the wall, I think I'll give some yellow tinge. It has to be watery and a light yellow tinge to it. So I've done light yellow for the wall and blue for the table and a little bit of shading here. To show the shadow, the reflection of the vase. So here we have a watercolor effect painting on a paper with Fevicol and watercolors.